So in this question it says 4 what? Multiplied by something, multiplied by an unknown, plus 3. What's the first step? Do we want to get rid of the 4 first, or do we want to get rid of the 3? Our goal is to get h by itself, right? We're trying to isolate our variable, get it by itself. But what's the first thing I need to get rid of? Yeah, the 3. Excellent. What's the opposite of plus 3? Minus 3. 3 take away 3 is nothing. What am I left with on the left side? Just the h? What do I have left on the left side? I got rid of this. Just the 4? I have the 4h, not just the 4. I have 4 times h still. But I took away the 3 here. So what do I have to do on the right side? Take away the 3. What's 15 take away 3? 12. So right now it says 4 times h. So times something gives me 12. What's the opposite of times? Divide. So what do I have to divide by? Divide by 4. You divide it by itself. That's how you get rid of that. It's gone. So what do I have to do on the right side? Which is what? Divide by... So what's 12 divided by 4? So h equals 3. The first step is to get rid of everything around the variable. What is in front of, like, what's around the variable right now? You said you have to get rid of the 3. What is the 3? Is it a positive or negative 3? It's a positive 3. How do I get rid of a positive 3?
Negative 3.
Take away 3, right? Do you agree that that gets rid of the 3? So what do I have to do on the right side? Take away a 3 also. So what do I have left on the left side? Here's my left side. Here's my right side. What do I have on the left side still? Raise your hand. What do I have left on the left side? I have a negative 2f. That is also there. It's a negative 2f. On the right side, I have to also take away 3 because that's what I did on the left side. What's 7 take away 3? 4. Now I have negative 2 times f. What's the opposite of times? So what do I have to do on the left side? Divide by? Nope, not 2. Negative 2, thank you. If I don't divide it by a negative, I'm not getting rid of the negative. You have to divide it by itself. So what do I have to do on the right side? Divide by negative 2. I'm left with f. That was our goal, was to isolate the variable. What is positive 4 divided by negative 2? Negative 2. The question says 3 multiplied by x, take away 5 equals 10. What do we want to get rid of on the left side of the equation? No, I want to get rid of a negative 5. I'm trying to get rid of this negative 5. What's the opposite of take away 5? Opposite of subtract. Plus 5. If I have negative 5 plus 5, it becomes 0. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get the variable by itself. So I have this.
So we have to do that times.
So we have to do what on the right side? What did I do on the left side?
5.
So I have to do that. I have to add 5 to the right side. What's 10 plus 5? Now what does this question say? 3 times x equals 15. What's the opposite of times? So I have to divide by what, Aisha? Just 3. What do I have to do on the right side? Which is what? Divide by 3. So what am I left with? I'm left with just my x now. That was my goal. What's 15 divided by 3? And that's the answer. This is a positive 7 here. Remember, how do I get rid of a positive 7?
Okay.
Well, what's the sign? It's a positive 7. How do I get rid of a positive 7? Take away 7. Does that get rid of it?
Yeah.
So what do I have to do to the right side? Take away 7. What do I have left on the left side of the equation? No. What's on the left side? Thank you. Don't forget to include the sign. Negative 5j. So on the right side, this simplifies to 10. Shh. I need to divide this by negative 5 because I need to get rid of it because I'm trying to get j by itself. So what do I have to do on the right side, Derek? Derek, divide it by Positive 5? Negative 5. What's a positive divided by a negative?
-2.
What's 10 divided by 5? 2. So the answer is J equals -2.